Today, we're making Spanish lemon granita, an icy and refreshing classic. This recipe serves 4 and takes about 4 hours and 15 minutes, including freezing. Let's get into it. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 6 large lemons, 4 zest and about 1 cup of fresh juice, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, about 150 grams to sweeten and balance the lemon, 2 cups of water, about 480 milliliters for the simple syrup base, 8 fresh mint leaves, optional, for a fragrant garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Wash the lemons well, then finely zest 2 teaspoons, avoiding the white pith. In a small saucepan, add 2 cups of water and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Let it simmer for 2 minutes, then take it off the heat. Stir in the lemon zest, cover loosely, and let it steep off the heat for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, juice the lemons until you have 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Strain out the seeds and extra pulp if you prefer. Strain the syrup to remove the zest, then chill it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes until cool. Place 4 small serving glasses in the freezer and chill them for 10 minutes. Combine the chilled syrup with 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, then whisk until fully blended. Pour the mixture into a shallow metal pan and freeze for 30 minutes. Scrape the partially frozen edges toward the center with a fork. Then spread the mixture evenly again. Return the pan to the freezer and repeat scraping every 30 minutes for 3 hours, breaking the ice into fine flakes each time. Fluff the granita. If it looks clumped, rake it with a fork until light. Then let it stand 5 minutes at room temperature to soften slightly. Spoon the granita into the chilled glasses. Garnish each serving with 2 mint leaves and a thin lemon slice. Cover any leftovers and freeze for up to 1 week, and scrape again before serving. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Spanish lemon granita, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next video.